The ACCA Foundation Diploma is designed for those students who do not have a university bachelor's degree or A-level completed. In this case, they must first complete 7 papers from the ACCA Foundation Diploma and then move on to the ACCA Professional Qualification. It takes approximately 12 to 15 months to complete 7 exam papers for the ACCA Foundation Diploma. However, the benefit is that upon completing the Foundation Diploma, ACCA awards you 3 exemptions from the ACCA Professional Qualification. The exempt papers are BT, MA, and FA. So, after completion of Foundation Diploma, ACCA students step up to ACCA Applied Skills level. Vertex Learning Solutions offers comprehensive ACCA Foundation Diploma courses with detailed content, weekly live classes, an intensive testing system, and active tutor support. Our online courses help you to complete your Foundation Diploma in the minimum time. Since 2007, over 30,000 students have benefited from our courses and resources towards the completion of their ACCA qualification journey. A dedicated academic team supports the qualified and experienced tutors who prepare and deliver all of our ACCA exam preparation courses.